Hey, my youth, you know where you watch? Dancehall skilla. Big up and respect to each and everyone. Yes, I'm here again. Hear me people, manners, you know. Okay, so I have videos that I'm going to present to you, my viewers and subscribers. And okay, so let's get started. So first up, I'm going to present a video to you that's going to clearly show a damaged motor vehicle. So based on some words that at least one person said in the video, I got the understanding that one motor vehicle that was being driven by someone hit a motor vehicle that was being driven by someone. And in the video you can hear a person saying some words that make me assume that the person was upset. Probably, you see? But let's take a look at this video and see if we can get an understanding of the situation, viewers and subscribers. I did not get any confirmed information as to exactly where and when the video will be recorded. Alright? Okay, so some of the scenes in this video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewer discretion is advised. Observe.
Look, power while I'm a star. That's the accident, bad man.
Come on for the corner like him a blood clot, madman.
How I drive?
Fine, man.
Oh, him?
Yeah.
Where you go up?
Yeah. Look how he come around the car. Look how he hit the car. Look for a film car for the one him a come. Take one blood clot in the man. Man, move your bumper clot down, boy, man. Get your rascal.
Okay, so the side of the motor vehicle they look damaged, viewers and subscribers. Me I wonder who did I drive hard still. Is that me I say? Oh, and big up and respect to Orion YT. Yeah, big up and respect. Uncle Mark, big up and respect, you see? You know, and the way the motor vehicle they look, I mean, the damage you can see on the motor vehicle, the way it look, you know, maybe you can tell who might be wrong. Maybe, but I'm not jump to no conclusion, you know. Anyways, you can let me know what you think about that situation. I'm going to move on to another topic, and if you're new to my channel, don't be afraid to click the subscribe button and click the notification bell so that you can be notified whenever I post a video. Now here I'm going to present a video to you that's going to show some things that happened when police from within the country of Jamaica was arresting or detaining at least 2 persons. Let me see if we can say that in a different way, or probably a better way. See? So the video that I'm about to present to you is going to show at least 2 persons who had been arrested or detained by police within the country of Jamaica. And based on some words that a certain amount of persons said in the video, it seems as if there was persons who was at the location and at the time when the video be recorded did not really agree with the way how police, who you can see in the video, handle the situation. I didn't get any confirmed information as to why those persons was being arrested or detained by police. So would I like you take a look at the video and tell me what I think about this situation as well. So what I'm saying to you. Oh, please bear in mind that I can hear yelling and shouting in this video, so viewer discretion is advised for this video. Observe.
All have a police then too out order, all because the boy and then a BMW. Nothing, it just box the boy and from the window wind down him while the boy with him gun. That a out order this and they say them a police. Me afraid that all have a police, them watch them. Watch them all have a town. All because the boy they in a BMW and they not find him with nothing. Nothing they not find the boy them would not deal with them, so they come on in here. Let's say one. Let's say one and look at them and leave boy. Watch out. That not give nobody right to box him in in face, he man a baby. He man a baby. Me a box him back too. I write him bread that I know him pitney. That I out than this. I want him a be a tough chat, but he lock him up, he a go box the big man. Suppose to send him an ugly one. I don't like shoot them head up. All have a police, all have a hungry police them. Friend the boy, you see, friend the boy the wine on the window, I want me box him, go so with him gun feel licky. Friend the wine on the window and they see him. So he come like that weird thing come out for box his son. Oh, the worry. All have a police them man. All have a police Friday and then can't have blood clot.
But on a real, my people, see, I didn't get any confirmed information as to why those persons had been held onto by police from within the country of Jamaica. Yes, so I say no, I didn't get any confirmed information as to why those persons was being detained or arrested by police within the country of Jamaica. One out of the two. Not sure what be the case. But one of the reasons why I'm presenting the video to you is because of certain words that have been said in the video by a certain amount of persons, viewers and subscribers, and it seems as if that there was persons who did not agree with the way how police, who you can see in the video, handle the situation, or police officers who you can see in the video handle the situation. Over be the case, my people. Yes, what I say, but I just saw it go. I'm not gonna jump to no conclusion. However, you can tell me who you think might be right from who you think might be wrong when it comes on to that situation. I have one more video I'm going to present to you, a video that I find somewhat interesting, so I say, and if you're new to my channel, don't be afraid to click the subscribe button and click the notification bell so that you can be notified whenever I post a video. Now here I'm going to present a video to you that have me thinking, because this video is going to show how a person got out of a motor vehicle. But the way how the person get out of the motor vehicle have me thinking, viewers and subscribers. See? Yeah, and the video itself is being talked about at least one place on social media that I saw the video, viewers and subscribers. You see what I said to you? See? Now, in my point of view, it seems as if the person was having some type of difficulty to get out of the motor vehicle. It look away, my people. See? With all of the murder and the kidnapping and all kind of different crimes and violence happening all over the world, viewers and subscribers, and with what I saw in that video, it have me thinking. See? So I would like you to tell me what you think about the way how a person who you can see in this video got out of a motor vehicle that I can see in this video. See? Please bear in mind that some of the scenes in this video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewer discretion is advised. Observe. You see how that look? You just see how that situation look. It's like the person a pull. Somehow a pull to get out of the motor vehicle. The way things are go nowadays, are within certain times or even recent times, as well some people might say, it's like you cannot just take certain situations lightly because you may never know. And I'm not going to jump to the conclusion. But that situation look a certain way, and the video itself is being talked about at least one place on social media. You see me I say? So my people, I like to tell me what you think about that situation. Tell me how that look, because you can see where the person has somewhat pulled in order to, you know, to get from the motor vehicle or to get out of the motor vehicle. It look away. See? Yeah, and me not ram for show them things because you may never know. this world, yeah, may I tell you. Yeah, so let me know what you think, my people, and I think here's where I'm going to leave it, you know. If you're new to my channel, don't be afraid to click the subscribe button. My name is Dancehall Skilla. Big up.